Hey everyone, welcome back to Design with Mahsa. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting updates from Figma Config 2025. From new tools to better workflows, Figma is making huge improvement in how we design, prototype, and bring our ideas to life. So grab your coffee and let's get started. Let us start with one of the biggest updates from Figma Config 2025, the new grid system. Now layout might sound boring, but trust me, this update is a game changer. Giorgio Cavilla, one of the Figma's designers, took the stage to introduce it, and he made a great point. Layout is like the invisible force holding our designs together. You don't always see it, but it's always there, making things feel organized. Figma already had auto layout, which is great for vertical and horizontal layout. But when you try a two-dimensional layout, things get messy, tons of nested frame and containers. Now Figma has added true grid-based layout to auto layout. It's simple to customize and instantly responsive. For example, Giorgio showed us how this works with a cashback app. Figma adds a basic 2x2 grid, which you can easily adjust. Just drag your items in, and they'll automatically align to the grid. You can even resize columns, rows, and use absolute positioning for special elements like illustrations. The coolest part, you can nest grids inside grids, combine them with auto layout, and overlap elements, all while keeping everything aligned. And it's mapped directly to CSS grids, making it easier for developers to bring your design to life. This is a huge upgrade in layout power and simplicity. Next up is Figma Sites, a huge update that is going to change the way we go from design to live website. Figma Sites allows you to design in Figma, then publish your site directly. No dev handoff, no extra tools. Tom Giannatta CEO and Tom Laurie showed us how it works, and it's a game changer. They started by copying a design frame from Figma Design straight into Figma Sites. And boom, it was ready to edit and publish. Want responsive design? You've got breakpoints for desktop, tablets, and mobile all built in. Plus, you can drag in components from your libraries and they automatically adapt to different screen sizes. The best part, the preview window is real HTML and CSS. You are not just designing visually, you are building a real publish-ready site. Once you're happy, just hit publish and your site goes live. It's in beta for paid plan users now. Soon the starter plan will have access too. Plus, Figma's adding a built-in CMS to manage content like blogs right inside Figma Sites. Introducing Figma Make, a powerful new tool that transforms your design into fully interactive prototypes all within Figma. No need for engineers or external tools, just take a design, add a prompt like make it interactive, and boom, you've got a working prototype. Holly Lee from Figma gave a live demo to show how it works. She started with a simple music player design and turn it into a fully interactive prototype with clickable buttons, a working volume slider, and even a spinning CD. It felt instant and magical. She also showed a bike map that lets users explore different biking routes in the city, and a clinic finder that used real data to help people locate healthcare service nearby. These weren't just static screens, they responded like real apps. Figma Make understands the structure of your design and brings it to life with logic and functionality. You can test everything in real time, explore immersive experience, and iterate faster. And the best part, it all happens collaboratively. You and your team can adjust instructions, tweak designs, and even generate product-ready code together. Figma Make feels like the future of prototyping, and it's already here. Now let's talk about Figma Buzz, a tool designed to help you create and share branded content easily. Figma Buzz is all about streamlining the process of creating assets for social media, campaign, and print materials. It gives you easy access to your brand libraries and templates. You can edit assets for multiple channels, making updates in bulk, saving tons of time. For example, during the demo, Lauren created a set for 25 events in minutes. updating everything from text to background patterns with the multiple editing feature. There's even a bulk create tool that lets you upload a CSV file and instantly generate a set based on your design. Figma Buzz is perfect for creating high-quality branded content quickly, whether you're working alone or with a team. Finally, let's talk about Figma Draw, a complete revamp of Figma's vector editing tool. Figma Draw comes with over 20 new features that make vector more powerful and fun. You can now edit multiple shapes at once, use the smart context menus, and even lasso select points like in Illustrator. They also introduced a new shape builder tool that lets you combine or subtract shape with ease. Plus, you've got creative tools like radial repeat, type on path, and progressive blur. You can even use brush strokes for that hand-drawn organic feel. Figma Draw is built for both illustrators and product designers, and it's getting great reviews from early users. Plus, pressure-sensitive variable width strokes are coming soon. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed the updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which Figma feature are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.